For the repair of the remote control unit by Mitsui Zosen, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use 24-volt DC power supply. We can see that when the remote control system is connected to the power supply, the screen lights up and is functional. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the remote control system by Mitsui Zosen is working successfully, and it is ready to be delivered to the client.